At Precision Medical, we listen to patients and understand their needs so we can design products that help them live actively. Now, our latest POC innovation is here. Introducing Live Active 5. What makes it different? Only Precision Medical has BPSA technology ensuring each sieve bed is perfectly regenerated every cycle, without the deteriorating characteristics of pressure-only systems. We provide the highest oxygen concentration and longest bed life. We also pioneered CMV and bring this same technology to Live Active 5. The engineering and performance ensure long, reliable product life. Bluetooth makes it easy to diagnose or troubleshoot the unit. It also features the most user-friendly interface on the market. Turn on the desired setting with a touch of a button. The unique design lets users wear it comfortably on either side. This lightweight unit comes with a 4-hour battery. The top-loading design makes changing it easy. The Live Active 5 POC, the perfect balance of innovation, design, and engineering. See why the difference is precision.